People think silver is useless now, an old metal, something from the past. Gold feels powerful. Oil feels important. Data feels valuable. Silver feels irrelevant. People misunderstand silver because they still think value means money. But modern civilization doesn't run on money. It runs on systems. Systems that move electricity. Systems that move data. Systems that keep everything working without you ever noticing.
Power today isn't about owning land or controlling armies. Power is about keeping systems alive. When systems fail, governments panic, markets freeze, cities stop functioning. And those systems rely on something very specific.
Silver is the most conductive metal humans can realistically use. Not gold, not copper. Silver. That single property puts silver inside almost every critical system on Earth.
Silver lives where failure isn't allowed. Power grids use silver in switches and contacts that prevent overheating. Data centers use silver for stable, clean signal transfer. Satellites rely on silver because repair is impossible. Medical machines use silver because mistakes cost lives.
Systems are designed so you never think about them. Electricity just works. Internet just loads. Payments just process. When something becomes invisible, people assume it's unimportant. That's how dependence hides.
Gold is stored. Oil is burned. Silver is consumed and locked inside systems. Once silver enters infrastructure, it rarely comes back. That changes how control works.
As systems grow larger, more digital, more fragile, reliability becomes non-negotiable. And reliability depends on silver.
People think silver lost its value. In reality, it changed its role from money to systems.